Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories with me, Scott, and Victor. Anyway, hopefully this will be a short video today. We're going to be looking at something that might be quite common if you've got a GTI with electric windows, and that is that when you press the button, nothing happens. So I'll show you some of the common problems and faults with it. But I don't think it's anything to do with the switch, because if you listen carefully you can hear the mechanism trying to work in the door. We'll take the switch out, make sure it's connected up okay at the back, take it apart, fix it, and then I guess we'll take the door card off and have a look at the mechanism itself. Okay, so let's do it. So to get the switch out, use a plastic removal tool to get it around the side, around the back. It should pop out. The first thing we're going to do is just check that the switch is in properly, which it wasn't. So let's give that a try now. Yeah, no different. So we'll just disconnect the switch, make sure you pull this forward. Same on the other side. Pull it off. We'll take this apart, have a look at the internals, make sure they're okay. Try it back on there. If that doesn't work, we'll whip the door card off and have a look behind it. So another thing to check with these switches is just check the internals, make sure that the connections are all okay. These are quite easy to take apart. So you need a small screwdriver, pop it in these sides. Okay, just push it. Once it's in, just push it up at the side. Same on this side. Pops out. And in here is what I check that these rockers are sitting in place, and they're fine. Okay, so this switch is okay. Let's put it back together. Let's pop it together. So we know this isn't the problem. So we need to take the door card off and have a look inside the door. You know what, I'm quite glad this door's coming off, because the speakers come loose, so it needed to come off anyway. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, take them out, take all these clips off, and there we go. Door card is off. So with the membrane out of the way, hopefully we can see what's going on when we press the switch. Ow. It just sounds to me, because you can hear it making a noise. Let's put this on here, hopefully you can hear it making a noise. So what the first thing we'll do is we'll just give it a knock with a hammer, see if that loosens it up. It's not liking that. So let's just try a bit of WD-40 on it. It's on the cable. So let's undo these 2 bolts here. Well, 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. Let's get them off. So this might be what we need to bang. Let's give this a bang. I think this regulator is shafted. Oh, here we go, wait a minute. So I'm wondering if this is the problem. We've got a bit of a mashed up wire here, so it'd be worth giving that a cut, reconnecting it, and that's been catching the back of the hinge, the back of the door mechanism here, so probably do with getting those out of the way. Anyway, let's get this off, have a proper look at it.
Alright.
No, that's not it, the motor's knackered. Bugger. Oh well. We need a new regulator then. Okay, well that looks like we need to get a new window regulator. I'm not going to remove this now, I'll leave removing that for when I get a replacement, and I'll do that in a separate video. So I'll just put the door card back on and get the speaker wired back up and get it all back together. So there we go, that's it for this video. I guess I'll have to get a new window regulator and fit it in another video. If you found this useful at all, please consider dropping a like or maybe click on subscribe. And if you really want to support me in what we do, you can buy me a coffee, or there's even a link to support me on Patreon in the description below. That'll just get your name at the end of the video. So, good way to sponsor us, companies. Alright, okay, well that's it, I'm going to sign off now. See you in another video soon. Thanks for watching, bye bye.